Hello everyone, it's Amy. Today I'm going to give you tips on conquering one of the scariest as well as exhilarating hikes I've been to. It's Zion National Park's Angel's Landing. This hike definitely requires preparation physically as well as, and I think this is more important, mental toughness. Enjoy! Angel's Landing is located in Zion National Park in the state of Utah. It's the second most visited park in all of America, second only to the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. Zion National Park is one of the most beautiful places we've visited. Hiking to Angel's Landing along with the Narrows are bucket list items if you're there. Prepare for the hike of a lifetime. Along this 5.4-mile round-trip hike, you will gain 1,488 feet in elevation. Most hikers take around 4 hours to complete the hike. It's fun, it's scary, it's exhilarating, it's scary, it's mind-blowing, and did I mention scary? Everyone who wants to hike Angel's Landing must get a permit done via a lottery. However, you can still hike up to Scout's Lookout, the base of Angel's Landing, and not need a permit. You need a permit only if you want to do the half-mile section of the trail that has the chains.
"6:30 a.m. 1 hour before sunrise. The Grotto Trail."
We started hiking early before the trail got crowded. Staying at Zion Lodge allowed us to get a head start. Alternatively, you can take the shuttle bus, which starts running from the visitor center at 6 a.m. The other big reason why we started early is because we were hiking the Narrows at the same day. Yes, we were crazy, but it's doable.
This way. That view. That cool pedestal rock right there in the middle.
And again, you don't need a permit to get to this part of the trail. The views are just as spectacular here as at the peak of Angel's Landing.
Going up there. Came from down there. Here we go. Let's go. Here we go, doll. We're almost there. Now I can really say it. Yeah. Oh yeah. There's people over there. We're almost there. Here we are atop Angel's Landing. Woohoo! switchbacks.
Hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, with every hike, bring the right pair of shoes and always stay hydrated. Until next time, this is Amy signing off. Aloha!